Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by ensuring the eye area is clean and slightly dry so the Kajal grips. Once done, twist the Mother Sparsh Kajal just enough, about 1 to 2 mm, so it won't break. You'll anchor your dominant hand on your cheek to steady it. This minimizes shakes. Look slightly down into a compact or phone camera so the lid is relaxed. Then, with a single steady stroke from inner to outer corner, apply light pressure to lay down a smooth line. Once the initial line is in place, you build intensity slowly rather than pressing hard. Apply a second light line only if you need darker color, and wait 5 to 10 seconds between passes so the Kajal sets. Make small outward strokes with a cotton bud or a short, dense smudge brush to soften harsh edges. This creates a natural gradient. Keep breathing and adjust pressure. Gradual layers give a smoother finish and reduce the chance of flakes or uneven patches. To finish, check both eyes for symmetry and clean minor mistakes with micellar water on a cotton swab. This keeps lines crisp. If you want longer wear, lightly dust translucent powder over a tissue placed on the lid so you don't alter the color. If smudging happens during the day, blot the area gently with a clean tissue, then reapply a thin line only where needed. If product breaks, twist less next time and warm the tip between your fingers for a few seconds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.